prepare to make an entrance with this Custom Stenciled Sash Project from
DesignerStencils.com.
After receiving your custom stencil, flip it over and spray the underside with Repositionable Spray Adhesive. Wait about 30 seconds for the spray to become tacky. Next, mark the boundaries of where the text will show using frog tape. Position the stencil so that the text is centered within the marked area and also so that it reads in the correct direction when the sash is worn. Press it into place all around. Thoroughly shake your bottle of glorious gold DecoArt metallic acrylic paint prior to pouring out a small amount on a paper plate. Shake and add an equal amount of fabric medium and stir until completely blended using your stencil brush. Remove excess paint from the brush using the edge of the plate and also by swirling the bristles on a stack of paper towels. Too much paint on the brush may cause it to bleed underneath the stencil. Lightly apply the color using the same swirling motion as you did on the paper towels. Stencil numerous light coats to achieve even coverage throughout the design. When finished, carefully peel away the stencil. Your new custom stenciled sash is now complete and ready to be the star of the celebration.
For more tips and ideas, visit DesignerStencils.com today.